Hi everyone, I'm Allison and I'm from a small town right outside of Athens, Georgia. I currently live in Winder with my husband and I work at the University of North Georgia Gainesville campus in their registrar's office. I'm the person who gets to tell students if they've met their graduation requirements or not. I hate giving bad news, so at times my job isn't very fun. I completed my undergrad in criminal justice with a minor in psychology from University of North Georgia in 2016 and quickly began my career in higher education. This is my last semester in the program, and I'm excited to graduate this fall. My goal is to someday be either an academic advisor or possibly an assistant registrar. I think this course will be very interesting and will help me in my future career. Looking over the syllabus, it seems like we'll get to make a lot of personal connections this semester, which I'm excited for. One interesting thing about me is that I'm a huge Disney fan, and recently I became a travel agent. I've spent a lot of my free time this summer booking trips. So if you're wanting to book a trip to Disney, I'm your girl. I'm excited to get started this semester. Good luck, everyone.